Cultivate the process of jnana, his lot will be like this. You understand? Jnana prayasa udapasya namanta eva jivanti samagaritan bhavadiya vartam sthana sthita sujigatan tanumang manavit japrayaso ajito jito apyasi taistri lokyam. This is Brahma Vakya statement given by Brahma. Jnana prayasa udapasya. Give up this jnana prayasa. Give up this cultivation of jnana to understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You understand? Then what to do? Only here. Srota Pantha, Srota Paramparjo, hearing process. Jnana Prayasi, the Jnanis, they follow this, ascending process. We have two processes, ascending process and descending process. And their process is ascending process. And through that process, you cannot approach. You cannot understand Krishna, the Supreme Personality of God. You cannot approach. You give up that process and accept descending process, Srota Paramparja, hearing process. Hear from the bona fide source, from the Bhakta Bhagavata. Because only through bhakti, Krishna is understood and Krishna is being approached, not other processes. So approach such a bona fide Vaishnava and Bhakta to understand this tattva. Evam joveti tattvato tekadeham punarjanmanayati samangeti Arjuna. Krishna, the Supreme Personal of Godhead, should be understood in tattva. We have two considerations, apparent consideration and absolute consideration. Apata vicharo, tattva vichara. And apata vichara is always rejected, condemned. You understand? In apart vichar, in apart consideration, apparent consideration, such atheists, they say that Krishna is a devotee. Why? He stole the garments of the damsels of Brajabhumi. Bhagavan? Does Bhagavan do such nonsense? Rascaldom? Huh? He should have done very nice thing. Acted nicely in a moral platform, did something. Why did so? He's a rascal, he's a debauch. This is apat vichar, isn't it? But Krishna says, Dhamma karmam tame divyam evam joveti tattata takta deham punarjanmanayati samangeti Arjuna. My birth and my activities are pastimes, is all spiritual, transcendental, it's not material. And one should understand it in tattva. If one can understand fortunate person, understand it in tattva, then that is his last life here. He will never again be born here in this material world. He will, after quitting this body, he will go to my abode, to my dham, to my kingdom. Unless one understands in tattva, he cannot enter into the supreme kingdom of Supreme Personality of Godhead. Tadamang tattva gyantva visvati tadanantaram, says. For understanding me in tattva, he can enter. Otherwise, he will again and again fall down here. Nabhyanati tattveno atahtyavantite. One who doesn't know me in tattva, again and again he falls down here and go lots and lots of spaces of life. He cannot enter into mind. So this is most important. And Gajendra knows this tattva. You understand? And when one gets human form of life, that opportunity is given. One should inquire about tattva. In human, I tell you, human beings come under the three levels of consciousness. That is Mukurita Chetana, Vikasita Chetana and Purna Vikasita Chetana. Budding consciousness, blossoming consciousness, completely blossoming consciousness. And last level of consciousness is completely blossoming consciousness. And that you can attain in human form of life, not in other form of life. And that is the success, that is the perfection of your life. That is, we say, Krishna consciousness. Develop Krishna consciousness, fully Krishna consciousness, and fixed in that consciousness, then you can attain this fully, completely blossoming consciousness. Then you can understand Krishna, otherwise not possible. In whatever level of consciousness one may be, he should try, make effort how he can attain the highest level of consciousness. That is the supreme perfection of human life. You understand? And that opportunity has been given in human form of life. And how can one attain at the highest level of consciousness? That is sadhus, mahajana sadhus, pure devotees. Only by association, only by hearing. Sruti gopang tanuvang manobhir te praya sojito jitopyasis taitrilokyang. Only here. And the hearing is the first process out of 9 Navadha Bhakti, Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu. Is first, beginning and most important process. Parikshita Sravani, Parikshit Maharaj only had 7 days and he got the highest level of consciousness. Vyasaki Kirtani, Sukadeva Goswami only narrated, did Kirtan, Bhagavata Kirtan, and he attained. Only cultivating one anga, one can attain. Astonishing, whatever position you are, if you are in brahmachari sthiti, let be, stay there. If you are in grahastha sthiti ashram, be in that ashram. If you are in banprastha ashram, be in that ashram. If you are in sannyas ashram, be in whatever. Sthana sthita, only here. Come and hear from the bona fide source, from Bhakta Bhagavata. Only here. Only by hearing you can attain the highest level of consciousness. You understand? Sthana sthita siddhi gopang tanuvang manobhir te praya sojita jitopyasit. Attain such bhakti through which you can conquer the unconquerable. Krishna is unconquerable, Ajita, no man, but you can conquer it. But you can conquer if you can attain such highest level of consciousness, that is pure devotion, Shuddha Bhakti. Only through Bhakti is conquered. You understand? Bhaktya baddhastam, bhakti baddhastam. Bhakta can bind him. Mother Jashoda could bind him by dint of bhakti only. And pure devotee has bound him up in his heart. In his heart. You understand? Pure devotee has bound him up in his heart. Isn't it? Krishna is bound up in bondage now. There is no bondage for Krishna. He is supremely independent, supremely free. Isn't it? Sada muktopi tadhosmi bhaktena snaharajjuvi. Lord Nrsimhadev has said, Sada muktopi tadhosmi bhaktena snaharajjuvi. Though I am ever free, supremely independent, still I am bound up by the rope of love of that devotee in his heart. I have no power to break that bondage. Do you understand? Bhaktama bandhiyache hrudayo bhitore. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Bhaktama bandhiyache hrudayo bhitore. Jahan netra pade tahan dekho ye hamare. You understand? That bhakta, that devotee has bound me in his heart. And wherever he looks, he only sees me. Nothing else. So such a devotee has attained the highest level of consciousness. This Purna Vikasita Chetanastara, completely blossoming consciousness. This is sadhana. By the association of sadhana, you can understand Krishna. Otherwise, not by your speculative process. Then you can conquer Krishna, Ajita Jita.